Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Kherlar and today's topic is break and continue statement and date is 24 November 21. What is an break and continue statement? The break and continue statement are keywords. Break and continue statement are both are used for to skip the to skip used to skip the iteration inside a loop and to terminate the termination of a loop. Thus, the break and a continuous statement uses the loops such as for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Break statement are used. First one is a break statement. Break statement are used to stop the iteration inside a loop. When break statement encounter inside a loop, it stop the iteration there and continues from the first statement where it start the loop. Basically, break statements are used when we are not sure about the actual number of iteration inside a loop, and or we want to terminate the loop based on conditions. In Java, break statement are used for to exit a loop and the termination of a switch statements. The Java break statement used for to break a statement and to break a statement and switch and to terminate the switch statement. Using break we can and by passing the condition for a loop. Program example of an break statement. Program to print the numbers from 1 to 10 or less than 10. We need to first public static void main curly bracket open, then we need to initialize a particular condition for I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus curly bracket open, then we need to give condition I is equal to if I is equal to 5, then break the statement, means it prints the number from 1 to 5 and then break the statement. After it execute a loop, then after execute a loop, it breaks the statement and gives the message sys out, print out of loop, curly bracket close. In break statement we use labels to initialize the particular variables in that particular condition. Means if we initialize a variable first or second, we need, and in that first we need to give a condition, then first is a label for that particular code or a condition. Continue. Next one is a continue statement. We can use the continue statement to skip the current iteration of an continue statement used for an to skip the current iteration of a loop. We can use continue inside a loop such as for loop, while loop, and a do while loop. Basically, continue statement used in a situation when we want to continue the loop but do not want to the statement after the continue. Continue statements. Using continue statement we can skip the current iteration of a program, current iteration of a loop. It brings the next iteration early. We cannot use a switch statement in continue. Continue is a keyword to indicate the particular condition in a Java program. It is for to skip the current iteration of a particular loop. That's all about the break and continue statement. Thank you.